Sorry.
Where were you?
Youth group?
Again?
Yeah.
You know what I think of these Christians? Hypocritical, closed-minded, intolerant of hope. And the list goes on. They teach that this world is all about love and peace and forgiveness. And that everything works out in the end if you just believe. World's not like that. You want evidence of that? Just look at me. I hate your God.
What are you doing? She's given an opportunity you weren't. It's okay. Just remember that I love you and you're not alone. Raise a child young so they don't break away from their habits when they're old. I can do all things through him who gives you strength. Go over there and tell him he's wrong.
We're leaving.